Scotty needs us, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing gonna stop us.
Back it up. Back it up slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, just back it up. Yeah, and back it up. Okay? All you're gonna do is we just back it up, okay? That's it. Back it up. No. Just back it up.
You insult me, Scott. Your very existence is insulting to me. You know, it'd be much easier to hit you if you were bigger.
Yeah, I agree.
Insignificant you are.
Kathy, I'm coming!
That's a messed up looking dog.
I'm gonna destroy everything you love.
Freeze! SFPD!
I can't break through. It's titanium, you idiot. Get her out of here! Sorry, sweetheart. You have to help Daddy pay for his mistakes.
You stay behind me, okay?